Good morning to our lecturer and friends. Today we are going to present our business intelligence case study titled Mobile Sales Dashboard using Microsoft Power BI. This project was done by our group members. Me, my name is Punita Devi, and my friend's name is Nikla Kwan and Divya Ilangovan. Now I am present about our introduction. In this project, we use Microsoft Power BI to analyze mobile sales data. The purpose of this project is to convert raw data into useful information and insights. We use ETL process, which is stand for extract, transform, and load. The dataset used in the project are phone brands, mobile models, and sales data. By using this data set, we can analyze sales performance, customer demand, and phone pricing. Now I'm present about objective and tools. The objective of this project are perform ETL process, clean and prepare raw data, create relationship between tables, design an interactive dashboard, and generate business insights. The main tool used are Microsoft Power BI, Power Query Editor, and Excel dataset. Power BI helps us to create visualization and dashboard, while Power Query Editor is used for data cleaning and transformation.
Next, I will explain the ETL process used in the project. ETL stands for extract, transform, and load. This process is very important in business intelligence because it helps convert raw data into clean and meaningful information for analysis. First is the extract process. We imported the Excel dataset into Microsoft Power BI. The dataset contains three tables which are phone brands, mobile models, and sales data. Second is the transform process. In this stage, we cleaned and modified the data using Power Query Editor. For the phone brands table, we remove duplicate rows, trim unnecessary spaces, remove rows with null values, and rename columns appropriately. For the mobile models table, we remove invalid brand ID values, ended missing values, remove unrelated records, corrected inconsistent model names, and kept only the important columns which are model ID, brand ID, model name, and price RM. For the sales data table, we removed duplicate records, corrected inconsistent state names, fixed null quantity sold values, and corrected invalid model ID values. Finally, in the load process, the clean data was loaded into Power BI for dashboard visualization and business analysis. The ETL process improved data accuracy, consistency, and reliability before analysis was performed. On this page, we can see the detailed cleaning processes performed for each data set. For the phone brands table, several problems were identified such as duplicate rows, unnecessary spaces, null values, and unclear column names. To solve these issues, we remove duplicate rows, trim spaces, remove rows containing null values, and rename the columns properly. As a result, the dataset became more accurate and consistent. For the mobile models table, we removed invalid model ID values and unrelated records. We also kept only the important columns needed for analysis to make the dataset cleaner and more organized. For the sales data table, duplicate transactions were removed, inconsistent state names were standardized, and null quantity sold values were corrected. These cleaning processes are very important because poor quality data can produce inaccurate business reports and wrong decision making results. Next, I will explain the relationships created between the tables in Power BI. two relationships were created in this project. The first relationship is between the phone brands table and the mobile models table using brand ID. The second relationship is between the mobile models table and the sales data table using model ID. The relationship type used is one-to-many relationship. This means one phone brand can have many mobile models and one mobile model can appear in many sales transactions. These relationships are very important in business intelligence because they connect related tables together and reduce data duplication. Without relationships, Power BI cannot combine data correctly and the dashboard analysis may become inaccurate. For example, with relationship, we can easily analyze total quantity sold by phone brand, average phone price by brand, and top selling phone models accurately. Therefore, relationships improve reporting accuracy and help businesses make better decisions based on connected data.
Visual dashboard pula, dia macam jumlah kuantiti mengikut jualan jenama, jumlah mengikut negeri pengguna atau kolom cat, purata harga mengikut jenama, model terpaling laris atau ranking chart lah. So, kita ada bar chart untuk pertandingan, kolom chart untuk berbeza antara negeri lain, bagi jelas KPI dan label membantu pengguna untuk memahami maklumat dengan lebih cepat lah. Okey, daripada analisis, Apple dan Oppo adalah jualan tertinggi dan negeri seperti Perak dan Penang menunjukkan prestasi yang baik. Okey, kesimpulan. Projek ini menunjukkan proses ETL. Dia bina hubungan data dan bangunkan dashboard menggunakan Power BI. Data telah dibersih meningkatkan ketepatan dan dashboard membantu perniagaan membuat keputusan lebih berdasar data. Thank you everyone.